Ito na. Canada will hit US with retaliatory tariffs this Tuesday. Sabi yan ni Justin Trudeau. Ito ay article ng Philstar Global. Canada will hit back at US tariffs with 25% levies of its own on select American goods. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said on Saturday. Ito sabi niya. He said in a dramatic tone as he warned of a fracture in long-standing Canada-US ties. Ito na. Canada will be responding to the US trade action with 25% tariffs against 55 billion Canadian dollars or 106 billion worth of American goods. The first round of tariffs would target 30 billion Canadian dollars worth of US goods on Tuesday, followed by further tariffs on 125 billion Canadian dollars worth of products in 3 weeks. 3 linggo lang na magkakaroon ng taripa, Diyos ko. Sa 3 linggo na yun, 25% ang taas nun, Diyos ko. Ano sabi ni Justin Trudeau? We're certainly not looking to escalate, but we will stand up for Canada, for Canadians, for Canadian jobs. Kasi nga naman, pag naglagay ka ng taripa, tataas din ang presyo ng bilihin. So, fair play. Napakagandang mungkahi. Panalo ang mga tao. The tariffs will apply to everyday items such as American beer, wine, and bourbon, as well as fruits, vegetables, consumer appliances, lumber, and plastic, sabi niya, at much, much more. US President Donald Trump, so bakit nga ba nagsimula itong pagtataripa na to, Diyos ko? US President Donald Trump earlier announced broad tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China, citing a threat from illegal immigration and drugs. Ayun na ang Duterte ng US. Taasan natin ang taripa para mawala ang druga. Canadian exports to the United States will face a 25% tariff starting Tuesday, although the energy resources from Canada will have a lower 10% levy. Trudeau said the trade conflict will have real consequences for Canadians but also for Americans, including job losses, higher costs for food and gasoline, potential shutdowns of auto assembly plants, and impeded access to Canadian nickel, potash, uranium, steel, and aluminum. Kala ko aluminium yung sorry. He offered a reminder that Canada has been at the US side in its darkest hours. From the Iran hostage crisis and war in Afghanistan to deadly national disasters such as Hurricane Katrina and the recent California wildfire. So sinasabi dito na, ba't mo kami gaganunin? Ginaganto namin kayo. Kumbaga, mabait ang turing ko sa'yo pero bakit mo ako ginaganito? Ano sabi ni Trudeau? We're always there, standing with you. If President Trump wants to usher in a new golden age for United States, the better path is to partner with Canada, not to punish us. Yon. Partner dapat, unity. Uy, nako. Ba't may palakpak? Dagdag pa niya. Unfortunately, the actions taken today by the White House split us apart instead of bringing us together. Okay, yun ang sabi niya. Earlier, Trudeau consulted with provincial premiers who each said afterward that they would take additional measures such as taking US booze off local local store shelves and seeking to immediately diversify their trade relationships. Alberta Premier Danielle Smith called the US tariffs a mutually destructive policy that will strain the important relationship and alliance between our two nations. So dahil nga sa pagtaripa na yan, baka magkaroon ng punet sa kanilang buong papel. Grabe yung natin, mga description. British Columbia Premier David Eby tayo. Canadian sila. When further in calling the US tariffs a complete betrayal of the historic bond between our countries. So dahil nga maganda yung history daw ng pagsasamahan ng US at Canada. Tapos papatungan mo ng taripa. Diyos ko naman. Ano sabi niya? It's a declaration of economic war against a trusted ally and friend. Dagdag pa niya, he will never again allow ourselves to be beholden to the whims of one person in the White House. Meanwhile, at an NHL hockey game between Ottawa Senators and Minnesota Wild in Ottawa, a sold-out crowd booed the singing of the US national anthem at the start of the play. So yun, dahil nga may pagpataw ng taripa, nabuo ang tiga-Amerika. So hindi lang yan magiging awayan ng economic status, pati na rin ng mga tao. Diba? So yan, ano masasabi nyo sa mga pataripa nila? Comment down below.